Are there things that shouldn't be included in a company wellness program?
I really struggle with the weight loss programs that I've been seeing. I think there too, because it's all predicated typically on sharing how heavy you are.
Yep.
And that's just a number. Just always think about the risk of alienation
Yep.
and what that looks like. And that can look like even from sharing around the circle. You have to have, when you're sharing about mental wellness, you have to have a really safe organization where it's not going to be used or employees could be targeted because of what they decide to share.
Yep.
Leadership has to really make sure that if they want to go down that path, there might be some things they don't want to hear. And again, I think that risk, I personally think that risk is so small, but it does come up, and employers need to be aware of those factors.
Yeah, so as a company's looking at their culture and kind of deciding what to do, make sure the things you settle on trying are things you actually would like to follow through with.
Yeah.
Because, like you said, yeah, something could be said or something could come up that you might not have considered.
Yeah, and I mean, for me, I feel like it's easy because, again, I've talked a lot about my postpartum depression and how that has continued to affect me. I've been very vocal about it, so it's easy for me to go down that path with my team. But I know that there is a ton of trepidation, even for new employees when they join your organization. They always look at me and go, "Is this for real? Like, is this actually safe? We can actually say these kinds of things." And we're a human resources company.
Yeah.
So again, just understanding that not everyone feels comfortable to share, that's okay too.